on to actually our last use case, which is about granularity. Granularity means many things for us. For us, granularity could be the, let's say, levels of details you want to have. So let's say if you want to look right into the nitty-gritty details and you really want to look for minute intervals in your network data. But it could also mean different, let's say, structures or how the company is structured. So on the table on the right, you can see that some businesses are structured per business unit. Other are geographically structured, or maybe type of site. So for instance, a retail company is dividing their retail stores and their fabrics and their logistical hubs from their, let's say, offices. As a company, we are very able to play around with that and make it really fit for purpose. Because why is this important? Well, first and foremost, we work with different end users. So you can imagine that someone on C-level wants to look at different dashboards and reports than someone who's more in the operational part of the business. So with that comes different requirements. To make it fit for purpose, we really try to customize everything based on the needs and asks of a company, of a customer. So that's the reason why granularity is really important for us. And to give you a bit more of some more examples, I want to invite you, Misha.
That's a good one, Eric. Granularity is I think it's crucial for making good decisions. I have an example here. Imagine that somebody asks you what's the average traffic jams on a road nearby to go to your job. Probably, if you look into the average, I think the traffic jams are really slow. No traffic jams. The average traffic jams are almost none. But if you look into the rush hours, actually people are in your traffic jam and actually having issues there. And what I try to tell you here is that if you look into the average of something, you can make the wrong decisions. Because if you understand that, oh, the traffic jams are regular or just go there. Yeah, depends on in the time, is it? It depends on the detail, depends on the granularity. And if you look into, this is an example of a report you saw that we deliver to all our customers. And this is about telling you how many minutes of the month were above 80%. So that means that you zoom into the minutes and then if it's okay, it gives you a much better and richer statement about how busy your network is. And this is just an example of a value add that you have in the report to see, okay, do I need to have a look at that? Is it normal? Is it maybe every first of the month that somebody's using a business application and it's stretching the network? So in that case, maybe we have to look to the SD-WAN solution to give some more priority or something else. So having this kind of information is really crucial to, let's say, be proactive and be smart in your service meeting. And if you know that in this case, there are 85 minutes in New York on a specific WAN link, you can also see what WAN link, what direction, what kind of details are there. But you can also click on a report that actually tells you all the minutes above 80% and then for what location on what day. So you can actually having a map here and you can actually zoom in and click on these reports to actually see what application was using, let's say, the bandwidth. This is our way of bringing some intelligence to the table instead of looking to, okay, what's the average utilization of a day? Because even a day is having, let's say, from 9 to 10, 90% of utilization, and then the rest of the day is just regular 20. If you do averages of days, you probably have not seen it anyway, Eric. But with our reports, you have some intention here, and you can integrate it with report emails and stuff. But for reporting, it's also good to know you saw some incidents, some events, and is it getting better or not? So just giving you an example of this. I think a lot of customers are enjoying this report. So invitation for everybody. If you need more, just call us. We are there to create cool reports and dashboards.